I absolutely love our deck area. It's an area we constantly use and enjoy, but there are common complaints about deck areas. The timber, well, it needs constant maintenance. At least once a year, you're going to have to oil it, usually twice. You also need to sand it down to avoid splinters, and you have to knock nails back into place as the timber flexes and moves, lifting them. If you don't mind the work, then timber's not a bad way to go. But if you want to reduce the labour that's associated with timber decking, then you might want to get your hands on this product. It's called Ecodeck. Now, it's a bamboo and recycled plastic composite material, and it resolves most of the problems that people have in dealing with timber decking. This decking never requires oiling or painting, and this is a huge tick on my list of things to be aware of. The other key issue relates to termites and timber rot. There is absolutely no risk of that occurring. As far as timber goes, winter can see mould start to form, discolouring timber and causing materials to deteriorate. No mould damage is likely with this product, and should it get something growing over the surface, it's a simple scrub to clean it off. Timber decking is sensational around swimming pools, but again, because of the grain factor, well, there's always this risk of getting splinters in your feet. Now, this is where this product really comes into its own, because it's a combination of recycled plastic milk cartons and FFC certified bamboo. But the best thing is that it doesn't splinter. One other thing that I really love about this is it's got a non-slip rating of R11, which is absolutely brilliant when you're alongside a swimming pool. As far as construction goes, it is a heavier material to handle, yes, but there's no twisting or distorted lengths. Every length of Ecodeck is the same 5.4 metre size, and this allows nice long runs, which creates the impression of a bigger area. Ecodeck comes in 4 sensational colours, with Red Rock being the latest release. The colours don't fade and they look great, and the decking comes with a 10-year warranty. Melissa's chosen Ecodeck for her new garden, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it's going to be used. The product makes great decking bench seats, and there's a brand new Ecodeck material that's designed for screening purposes. Now, the arrival of Ecodeck is an absolutely brilliant thing for home gardens. It is solving so many problems that we traditionally experience with the maintenance of timber at home. It looks fantastic, and if it encourages more people to put decks into their backyard, well, I reckon it's brilliant. Now, if you want to find out a little bit more about it, simply visit our website or drop into your local Bunnings warehouse store. They'll tell you all about it.